Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Monday, hope you had a great weekend. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alrighty, so right off the bat, we got ourselves a mail call. Got an index card, woohoo! No, it's kidding. I got a sticker from Harshman Hills. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. His channel will be linked in the description as well as today's shout out. Or this week's shout out. And, well, so first we have Wandering Beast. And because another one came out too, I'll just go ahead and do that one. And that's Stoney's Outdoors Adventures. Alright. Both of them will be linked down in the description. Right, well, thanks for watching. Just a quick vid for our channel shout out for this week. The end card will have, their channel will be on an end card, plus will be in the description. And also wanted to include, which I didn't do in the last one I shot, because I shot a clean intro and a clean outro, but I wanted to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans, how much you're appreciated, all the hard work you do. So, and let's not forget, 22 a day should be 0. And as always, thank you very much, and we'll catch you in the next one.